Welcome to Tiger Free Cloud Mining for BNB. And it says unlimited earnings, high rewards, and easy to use. So I've tried one of their platform for Ethereum mining, and I've actually made a withdrawal and received it on my wallet, right? So I feel we should try the other ones since they are run by the same company. So let's hit the create account here. So you will provide your faucet pay email address here, and then you solve this security check. I'm looking at 1 plus 6 and the answer is 7. And then you click on verify, and once that's sorted out, and you click on start mining, and I'm in. All right, so I received 250 GHS hash power. Whoa, and I'm mining already. Okay, 1 2 3. All right, so I'm in business, I'm in mining. This is my estimated daily profit. 1 2, that's 975 satoshis of BNB, right? So that's what's up. I haven't referred anyone, but you will get referral commissions, 50% of your referrals, mining speed. Other ways to earn here include bounty. There is social media. Post your referral link on any social media sites like Facebook, X, Instagram to receive 100 GH bonus. Then you can also post on crypto forum to receive another 100. On PTC or advertising sites, you receive 500 GHS. On website or blog, you receive 500. On YouTube, 500. Custom partnership promotions marketing, just contact us. So here is the affiliate marketing email. So you reach out with your whatever it is that you want to do for them, right? So this is it. So you go try it out. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial expert. So you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after using this. I'm not teaching you how to buy anything, teaching you how to mine free BNB and nothing more. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.